Hey guys, Will here, and when the Apple Airpods were released, they received some massive backlash due to the high price and the strange design. However, soon almost all of this changed due to the fact that the Apple Airpods were a massive leap forward in the way that earphones are designed. However, one thing did remain, and that was the price. So in today's video, we're going to be seeing if a $30 clone from Amazon can still keep some of the fantastic features of the AirPods while being affordable to the masses.
Like I gave you, I'm the realest one. I talk to no girls, yeah, but I'm feeling one. Yeah, I've been her too, I'm a healing one.
First off, this particular clone includes the earphones, a charging cable, a micro USB cable, and a USB to power brick. Not too many accessories, but why would there be? In terms of connectivity, one of the things I loved about the AirPods was how seamlessly they connected with Apple products. Now of course, none of that can be expected here, but they do feature Bluetooth 4.2, which in my experience is excellent. And because most of the time your phone will be in your pocket, if the signal drops, it most likely means you've lost your phone. Moving swiftly on, something that I love about this pair of earphones is that the included case is actually a functional charger, a feature present in the much more expensive AirPods. They are secured in place with magnets, which are, in my experience, a little too strong, as the right one did pop out, but other than that there have been no problems with charging using this case. In terms of build quality, they're built like they cost $30. Do not expect Apple's build quality here, however they have lasted fine for me. In terms of comfort, these are actually pretty comfortable. Now, it's been a few years since I've had to use earphones as I stopped using them because the sound was too harsh, but these are actually fine. They've caused no problems with piercings, and as far as comfort goes, these can easily match up to the AirPods. Now, all of this is great, but what about sound quality? It's actually pretty good. For earphones, the bass is pretty good and the highs are nice and sharp, however the mids do sound a little bit hollow. For casual listening, however, these sound absolutely fine. Overall, for $30, these are pretty good. They aren't AirPods, but they do feature a true wireless design, include a charging case, are comfortable and sound good, so for casual listening on a budget, I do recommend them. I'll leave the exact model featured in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. Remember to like the video. If you want to see more content like this, then please subscribe. There's one thing left to say, and that is goodbye.